What it do, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. No Introduction Needed, Justin Marloo IRL, and we are back with another video. As y'all can see, we are at the Benz dealership. They got Benzes all over the lot. But I wanted to do this video, and I'm only gonna do this video real quick because my phone is about to go dead and I didn't bring my camera. Here we go, boys. I told y'all, dream car on the way. We got a Benzo, y'all already know. CEE something. It's a Benz. I'll put the link in the description. Y'all know I see shit and I buy it. That's how I do. But as y'all can see, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit what we working with. As y'all know, I'm the type of guy who like to sit in the back like a Maybach, so I ain't gonna be really driving this car too much. I really got it for my girl, cause I know she like to drive around. So as y'all can see, got the Benz. Y'all know I'm still mad that I ain't got the lights on here. I'm gonna go get the lights and I'm gonna get some lights in the ceiling. But y'all can see we got the little Benzo. You know what I'm saying? I can pull up and drop one of you niggas off real quick if I need to. We did it, boys. We ran it up, 100,000, 4 months. New Benz, new whip. See, I am currently getting my car washed right now on this beautiful sunny day. It is currently Tuesday, and it is, I just checked my watch, but it's 1:10, and y'all already know the vibes is lit. I gotta post a video at 2 o'clock, so I'm so excited to drop this video for you boys. Just helping y'all brand scale. But as y'all can see, new whip looking pretty good. I can give y'all a tour real quick. We're cleaning it up. I probably should wait a little bit, but yeah, as I can see, man, motherfucker fire, bro. I know I had to get the all black real soon. Really soon, y'all. We're gonna get this finish a little bit darker. And we're gonna get some red interior with the stars in the ceiling. But this light right here, man, y'all right here, this is something light, bro. This is just a pickup, bro. I was actually about to cop another one, but I said this cool just to slide around and be on some business savvy shit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't doing too much. Y'all know what we want, bro. If anybody know what we want, y'all don't know me, we gonna grab a BMW i8 as my second slider car, bro. But for right now, look. Also, we gotta get the rims black, man. I'm tired of looking at these rims, bro. These rims timed out, bro. They were timed out, so we gonna get these black as well. But y'all know, something light, something light. You know, see it. I just copped this ring yesterday, but this is so fire, bro. I don't even think I can see it, but it's like it's busting too hard in the light. But basically, bro, this shit so fire, bro. I can't even show y'all. That's how fire it is. But yeah, this is it. New whip, boy. That motherfucking ring, boy. Shit fire. We were the same fit 3 days in a week, 4 days a week, like a uniform. Also, I need to get my uniform shirts made. Yeah. Also, man, I'm real excited, bro, because as y'all can see, I got my button-up shirt, but we haven't got our logos made yet, and I'm disappointed, but I got somebody on that, bro. My boy Marco Kid already on it, so we might have my logos and all that real soon. If not, I might have to go to the mall today and see if I can get some shirts made, and if I can do that, bro, that's gonna be so fire, bro. I ain't gonna lie, but yeah, stay tuned to that. Looking good, looking good, man. Oh. Looking good, man. Looking good. Oh. I need to clean up around here. I need to spray the building in. Alright. Start to see. Now we're gonna do the poly shell triple shine. I don't know what that is. What the hell is that? That poly shine over there? It's like a little handle. Okay, that's the poly shine. There we go, poly shine. Oh, I don't know about this one, man. What the hell? Let me get this on camera. What the hell is this? They said use some poly shine. Man, I'm scared as hell, boy. What the hell? Are we supposed to like brush this in? Comment down below what the hell I'm supposed to be doing, bro. I think there's some poly shine. I don't know if we're supposed to rub the poly shine in. Do you think we're supposed to rub the poly shine in?
I have no idea. It didn't say on the sign. You probably gotta spray it off.
I mean, do we apply it?
I wouldn't use that brush. You probably can actually.
It smells really good though. It actually smells really good, bro. Okay. Poly shine everywhere. Poly shine. Bro, I need a cameraman, bro. Real talk, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. We moving to Miami soon, so if you trying to work, bro, I got y'all open schedule visibility, bro. Let me know. I need a full-time cameraman who can get this shit popping. Cause we about to be streaming and all type of shit, y'all. So okay, but that's enough. Okay, that's too much. You just saturate the fuck out the lip, bro.
That's how you do the dirt. You want me to do it? You acting scared to like clean the car. Yeah, I know. I was gonna ask you what it said. Just keep scrubbing. Unless you're gonna add more money in there and you don't care.
I think somebody, whoever called it, they took real good care of it. They literally got their name engraved in the window. I'm gonna go ahead and get that covered up, wait.
I'm gonna scrape it off with a razor.
Nah, I'm fucking with it though. I'm fucking with it. Good job, boys. We're gonna do a dream car video. Y'all seen it a lot. Y'all seen me at the car wash. Now, the next time y'all see me, we're gonna be buying another one. This time it's gonna be something that I can use, like the team side. Y'all might go use like a truck or something, 6-seater Mercedes-Benz C300. shit, man. Like this car right here, I sit in the back seat, bro. Like a Maybach. It's a car, bro. It's a 4-door. Last vehicle I was driving was a coupe. Smaller, compact, faster flow. You know?
Did you do the grill?
Now this the grill top?
I'm just asking, did you do the grill?
I thought I did. I'm making my way around though. Y'all know, as a brand seller, I'm always helping my clients build a brand. So I'll give y'all some advice, real advice that I apply in my own life because I wouldn't give nobody advice unless I'm a client. Y'all want to build your brand online, in real life, and on all platforms. Like work out, make sure your workout routine is good, make sure you eat good, your family life is tight. You just want to scale in all aspects. But I'll say this. Keep going until your business starts performing, bro. That cannot give up. If I would have gave up, bro, I wouldn't even be here, bro. I got out of this kitchen $2 million. Now I'm in position, put my team in position. That's what it's all about. It ain't about me, bro. You feel me? If you can't put your team in position to win, then I don't know what you're doing. I gotta put your team in position. If you fall off and your team's still on, you right back in the game. Right back in the game. That's why I don't understand. You need your team. If I fall off today, my girl should be able to put me back on. I can't do it. You're in position, put your boy in position, put your team in position, put yourself in position. Take it, make it out here. It's really not for yourself. If I was doing it for me, I only got a 2 of them. Alright? I got it. Clients. Ooh. Put your team in position, bro. I don't like people who ain't putting their team in position. You can't say you a boss if you ain't never made nobody a boss. It's simple as that. It's very simple as that. What's going on, man? It's your boy IRL. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of this video. I told y'all it's gonna be short. I'm gonna start vlogging when we get to the crib. But yeah, y'all already know what to do. Like this video. Make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about the whip. I'm probably gonna get some footage when I'm like easy vlogging for the day. But yeah, here we go.